Do you want to open your Apple Watch Control Center? So if you're new to Apple Watch and you're looking for an avenue or the best approach to take to access your Apple Watch Control Center but don't know how to go about this, then this video is going to walk you through how to open Control Center on Apple Watch step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to put Control Center on any Apple Watch is you want to locate the edge crown, and underneath it there is another button here that you can press. This button is purposely for different features, so you can use the button to access your Control Center. You can use the button to turn off or power off your Apple Watch. You can also use the button to turn on your Apple Watch on your iPhone, and when you want to force restart your Apple Watch, this button is also functioning. Now to open the Control Center on your Apple Watch, go ahead and press the button beneath the edge crown once. So it's called the Control Center button. There you go. Then you now have access to your Control Center on your Apple Watch. You can use the edge crown to scroll down through the Apple Watch Control Center, or better still, scroll down with using your finger just like this. You can also edit the Control Center on your Apple Watch by clicking on the edit button beneath, and here you can add more controls or remove controls from the Control Center. And once you're done, go ahead and click on done, and then your Control Center will be updated, and then that is it. Just press the Control Center button and then you are good to go. So that is basically how to open Control Center on Apple Watch. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.